Hello. We've seen a real change in weather type through the second half of July. The first half was predominantly dry and warm for many areas, but we've had low pressure bringing cooler, wetter conditions. This is how much rainfall we had through the weekend until Monday lunchtime in various areas compared to the monthly average. East Malling in Kent, there's been 45 millimetres of rain, and we'd only expect 42 during the whole month of July. So for many areas, some welcome helpful rainfall, particularly where we've got the ongoing drought conditions. Next 5 days brings more wet weather to much of the UK, particularly so parts of Scotland, eastern England and Northern Ireland as well. But I think anywhere could well see some spells of rain over the next few days. We had some heavy rain around during Monday, but also some sunshine. This was the picture in Nottinghamshire earlier on Monday. Similar picture for the next couple of days, a bit more in the way of blue sky and sunshine and fewer showers, but still the chance of the odd thunderstorm as we head through Tuesday afternoon. So low pressure still close by on Tuesday. You can see it just to the north of the UK, and we've got this area of cloud and rain on a weakening front, which is just pushing its way slowly eastward. So spells of showery rain for many central and eastern areas during the afternoon. 1 or 2 thunderstorms possible, East Anglia, North East England as well. Bit more sunshine in between any of those showers working in from the southwest. A much improved day for Northern Ireland, for instance, on Tuesday. Temperatures 17 to 23 degrees, pretty much bang on average for this time in July. Now through into Wednesday, and we've got a few showers still lingering, particularly across those North Sea coasts, so for eastern Scotland, eastern England as well. Another mild night with temperatures around about 12 to 15 degrees to start your Wednesday. Fairly cloudy start to the day for most of us, and still a few showers just moving through in that northwesterly breeze almost anywhere. I think parts of England and Wales probably seeing the bulk of them. And again, 17 to 22 degrees, plenty of spells of drier, sunnier weather in between any of those hit and miss showers. Moving through Wednesday night into Thursday, and a ridge of higher pressure starts to topple in from the west, so that should squeeze away many of those showers, I think, as we head through into Thursday. Still the chance of catching 1 or 2 for parts of central eastern England as well. Sunnier spells and drier conditions developing from the west though, and temperatures will start to nudge up perhaps a degree or so, so 18 to 23 or 24 degrees are top temperatures for Thursday. And then into Friday, a lot of dry weather on the cards with that ridge of high pressure around. Slightly cloudier with a chance of some blustery showers in the far northwest, but for the bulk of the UK, starting to see those temperatures coming up a little bit. So we're looking at the low to mid-20s for many, 26 or possibly 27 likely towards the southeast. Now by the end of the week, it looks like a weather front will try and move its way in from the northwest on Friday and overnight into Saturday, but tend to fizzle away as it bumps into that higher pressure. So for most of us, I think Saturday, a predominantly dry day. Again, that chance of a few showers, especially across the far northwest of the country, but temperatures around 18 to 26 for most of us by this stage in the weekend. A little bit cooler across the far north of Scotland though. And then through Sunday and into next week, we're looking now. High pressure not far away, but you can see areas of low pressure trying to move in from the northwest. So they could well bring a bit of an unsettled sort of picture through next week, especially so for the northern half of the UK, further away from that area of high pressure. So we're looking ahead into next week and some showers around, probably the driest of the conditions to be found for southern parts of England and South Wales, and temperatures fairly typical really for this time of year. Bye for now.